are going to start with a new lesson, that is governing ourselves. So you must be knowing that India has 28 states and 8 union territories. So we have the government at the central level, at the state level, and at the local level. Why we have government at the state level, central level, state level and local level? Because it is, suppose this is the country of, this is our country, India. So is it possible for one person to, is it possible for one person to govern the whole country? Like just take an example, like in a school, is it possible for our principal to govern the whole school, to manage the whole school or to teach the whole school? So the school is divided into classes and in each class there are teachers to manage the students. In the same way, or in the same way, the country is at the central level and the country is divided into states, and in each states there are chief ministers, and these ministers look after the welfare of their own particular state. But if there is any need for the protection of our country, for the defense of our country, then the central government will look after the defense of our country. And the state level manages the welfare of its particular states. Like during the just now during the COVID time, it is the state government only. They only make rules and laws and rules and regulations for their own state, that whoever will enter their state, they have to do RT-PCR test and all those things. So the state government manages the education, health, everything of their own particular state, and the central government manages the whole country. If any state faces some flood problem, famine or any problem, then the central government give help to the state government. I hope this is clear, everyone. So the country, India is the government at the center is known as the central government. The government at the state is called the state government, and the government at the local level is called as the local government. So first thing is, our country runs on the constitution of our country. Our country runs on the constitution of our country. I just want to tell you what is the meaning of the constitution. Constitution is the rule book. Constitution is the rule book according to which a country is governed. According to which a country is governed. What are the rules and regulations of the president, prime minister, chief minister? According to this only the country is governed. Like suppose for an example, if there are no rules and regulations in a school, then what you will do? You will first thing that you will not come on time. Someone will be jumping on the desk. Someone will be hitting someone. One will be coming in jeans, top, and these things only. So rules and regulations are very much important to follow. So in the school also, there are rules. You must have read in your diary that there are certain rules that you have to come in during winter season. You have to come in a winter uniform only. I think some students don't follow that also. So in the country also, this is the constitution, and according to the constitution only a country, according to the constitution is a rule book according to which a country is governed. So now the next thing is who makes the law? Who makes the law? The law making body is the parliament. Parliament is called as the law making. Parliament is called the law making body, and it has two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The parliament has two houses, that is the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and it also comprises of the president. So, who is the president of India? Draupadi Murmu is the present president of India. And who is the speaker of Lok Sabha? Who is the speaker of Lok Sabha? Sri Om Birla is the speaker of Lok Sabha. So, what is Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha is also called as the House of the People, and the speaker of the Lok Sabha, he only proceeds all the meetings of the Lok Sabha, and he only maintains discipline among the members. You must have seen sessions in the parliament that everyone is fighting and discussing things, and it is the speaker only who manages the discipline in the Lok Sabha. So any Jagdeep Dhankar is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. So the member of Lok Sabha are elected for a period of 6 years, and 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years, and then new members come in their place. So Rajya Sabha is a permanent body because it is not dissolved completely. Next is President. President is the head of the country. The President is the head of the country. He is the nominal head. He is not the real head. Who is the real head? Real head is the Prime Minister. So all decisions are taken by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Okay. So who is the President of our country? Draupadi Murmu. Just now I told you that who is, and the President is elected by an electoral college, and the members of electoral college are from the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the state legislative assembly. The members of Rajya Sabha, the Lok Sabha, and the legislative assembly forms an electoral college who elects the president of our country. So, and the president is elected for a period of 5 years. So we will stop here only. Now the homework, I hope everything is clear to you all, that how many states and union territories are there in India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories, and the country has central government, the state government, and the local government. And now how the country is run? The country is governed by the constitution of our country. What is constitution? Constitution is the rule book according to which a country is governed. Then who makes the law? The parliament makes the law. The parliament consists of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the president. So now we will today we will stop here only. Now the homework is you have to do page number 132. Write the homework is page 132. Write the new word.